Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually take details of invoices from your CRM and add the records inside Google Sheet and also send an email with the invoice details. So basically any of your CRM, so whenever an invoice created in your CRM, you will be adding those records inside Google Sheet and then sending an email using Gmail. So I'm going to use Flowlu CRM in this case, in this use case, and also I'm creating in Google Sheet and Gmail. So make sure you authorize your account before you create your workflow. So I will jump on to creating a workflow. So now we will search for the app Flowlu. Drag and drop the app and select the trigger. So in this case I'm selecting the trigger as invoice created. Copy the webhook URL and based on the instructions given here, you have to create an webhook inside your Flowlu CRM and capture the response. This is the one-time process. So I will go to my Flowlu CRM and click on my account and click on portal settings, and in the left hand side you will see webhooks. So just click on webhooks. I already created one webhook, so we can create one more. Just name this as, so I will name it as KonnectzIT demo and add my endpoint URL and select the task as finance and select the option as invoice. So basically I'll be selecting for whenever invoice created, so I'll just need to save that account. So once you did that, so automatically it will going to trigger your webhook whenever there is a new invoice created inside your Flowlu CRM. So now I will go to KonnectzIT and click on capture webhook response. So this will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from your CRM. So now let's go to Flowlu CRM and create an invoice. So go to finance and invoice and create a new invoice. So I'll just give the reference order number as 3 and then select the project and also the product and add the quantity as 3 as well, and then just click on save. So this will going to send the details. Once the invoice is created inside your CRM, automatically the details will be sent to KonnectzIT. So you can see that, and inside under this current tab, so we have all the details of the invoice. So we have the invoice number and also all more the details. So now let's go to our Google Sheet. So basically I have the Google Sheet like this. So I just have a sheet name as demo and I have invoice number, reference, company address and zip code, and you can even add more details as well like this. So now I will go to Google Sheet. So search for sheets and drag and drop Google Sheet. So select your account, select the action as create spreadsheet row and select your spreadsheet and also the respective sheet. So this will going to display the values as I shown in the first row. So it will going to display all those details. So just connect that details, that is I will connect the invoice number to the invoice, and then I'll be looking for other billing details. So let me track all those things. So you can see I have this reference, I will just connect that, and also I have all the other details. Just connect the address to the address and the zip code to the zip code and also the company name to the company. So once you connect all the nodes, so make sure you aligned it properly with the workspace. Just hit on test and review. So this will going to create all these records inside your Google Sheet. So let's go to Google Sheet, and you can see that all those records will be added inside Google Sheet. Once you add the records inside Google Sheet, so now before actually sending an email, so I'll be using KonnectzIT text formatter to merge all those details. This is an optional one, so I'm just creating an email body template. So just select the option as merge text and connect the nodes, so which we received from our Flowlu CRM. So I'll just select the invoice number and then the reference and also the billing details. So just create an email template, so something like this. So I just say a new invoice is created with details below. See the invoice number, and always you should use @ symbol. So this will going to give, so basically the nodes which we connected. So I'll just select the invoice number. So now I'll click on validate. So this will make sure that the nodes and the formatter is working successfully. So now I will use Gmail app to send an email. And select the option as send email and just connect the node to the body field. If you have your email, so you can just connect from your CRM, or you can just type it over here and then just name it as KonnectzIT Invoice. So the email has sent successfully. So this is the email, so we'll receive an email like this. So you can see it says like KonnectzIT invoice, and it says a new invoice is created, and also it gives the details, invoice details below. So similarly you can send whenever a new invoice created inside your CRM, you can add it into Google Sheet and also send an email using Gmail. So now I will go ahead and publish my connect, and once it is published, so now we will go ahead to Flowlu and just create one more invoice. So just go here and select as 4 and then select the product. Just mention the quantity also as 4 and then just click on save. So basically once we did that, so like this, the invoice number will be changed and also the reference number will be changed. Rest all things will remain the same. So now let's go to our Google Sheet. You can see that a new invoice with invoice number 4 and reference number 4 has been added with all the other details as same, because basically we are invoicing to the same person. And we also receive an email, so with these details, that is invoice 4 and the reference number 4. So this is how you can actually send an email and add a record inside your Google Sheet. So whenever a new invoice created on your CRM. So hope you guys like this integration, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.